Hi there, this is Ed Monson, Internet Sales Manager at Subaru in Fresno, with instructions on how to use the daylight savings time setting on a 2015 and 16 Subaru Forester. So we start with the multifunction display screen, which is this screen in the middle here. It's got quite a few displays on it: time, temperature, how many miles till you need gas, better or worse gas mileage depending on where the gauge is, a minute-by-minute graph of your gas mileage over time, how your traction is doing and how well it's correcting, elapsed time. This is called a trip meter. You can change those settings. And this is where you go in to make changes. So to go through these various changes, I'm using this set of buttons on the steering wheel. So it's at about 8 o'clock. My hand's on the wheel, and I'm going to pull the down button. And I'm pulling the down button now. Or I can pull the up button right here, and when I pull that, it goes the opposite direction. When I'm on this screen, I'm going to pull and hold this set button in the middle until the screen changes. So I'm pulling it toward me, and we're waiting for that screen to change, and now it changed. So I let go of the button, and there's time and date. So in order to make a selection on where the cursor is, see the cursor's on time and date? If I go down, it's on display. Down here, it's on screen setting. I'm using this down button. If I go up, I'll go back to time and date. Now to make a selection to say I want to work with the time and the date, I'm going to click the middle one here. That's like a mouse click. Click. So I clicked it, and now the next display has another time and date. I'm going to go down, 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 and when I select daylight savings time, this is what you see. So now you want to tell the computer, I want to make a change. I want to work with the on-off. So to do that, we're going to select it with the middle button right here. Select. Now it says, okay, we're going to work with it. Do you want to go up or down? Using your fingers on the steering wheel. When I go up, it says on. When I go up again, it toggles to off. So this one simply toggles between off and on. So I leave it on, and now to set that, there's 2 steps to it. See how it has the up and down arrows? It hasn't been set yet. I'm going to select the set button. Now it says, okay, that's set. Notice how there's just one arrow pointing to on. Now when I click down, right here with my finger, down, it's going to take me down to set. Now I'm going to select that one with the mouse click, which is the middle finger click on the steering wheel. So when I click this, I have now complete the setting. It says setting complete. Now we're on daylight savings time. I'm going to click down and select go back. And one more, I can go up to get there quicker, to go back. And now it says 11:26 instead of 10:26 because the date on this particular vehicle is set for June. So the car knows when daylight savings time is to start and end. As long as you have the daylight savings time setting set to on, you will be able to not have to change your clock every time it changes between fall and spring for daylight savings time. So on this screen, pull and hold the middle button. Select time and date by clicking the middle button once. Go down to daylight savings time. Click the middle button once to select it. And then click the middle button to say we want to turn it on or off. Up or down turns it on or off. If you live in Arizona, you won't need it. Parts of Indiana and Hawaii, everyone else will probably need it. So now I'm going to click the middle button. Okay, that's good. I'm going to go down 1 to set. Click the middle button, setting complete. That's it. If you need help, you can always call, text, or email Ed Monson, 559-905-0102.